Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I still think this is probably a wave A down, and I still think this is more likely a wave B. It could be a 1-2, but I think it's more likely an AB. I still think this is most likely going to lead to a downtrend, which is most likely going to go all the way down to one of these lower two Fibonacci levels, most likely to finish off a wave C. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this as a 1. I'm still looking at this as a wave 2. I still don't really see any evidence that the wave 2 is over, so I'd still be pretty bullish on sort of time frames. Eventually, I do think it is going to end at wave 2, go down for a big old wave 3, but it may actually go all the way up to the 78.6 before it actually does end that wave 2. So let's take it down to the week daily time frame, that is. Daily time frame, I mean, it definitely has been going down pretty strong, but we do not have a break of structure to the downside. We really don't even have a Fibonacci bounce, so I still think that this is going to go up again. Maybe it will respect to 61, maybe it will go all the way up to the 78.6. Either way, I still think this is a wave 2, I still think this is a wave 1, and I still think it's going to end a correction at one of these last two Fibonacci levels, probably looking like something like that. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame kind of looks almost like it could possibly go up. I mean, it looks like one down, looks like three up, it looks like one down. Kind of almost looks like it is an ABC correction, probably an ABC correction to this last push up right here. Now, today is a bank holiday for pretty much everybody in the world, so I wouldn't be surprised if it didn't do much today, maybe just kind of drifted around, but I think at some point it will end up continuing back up. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, it looks like it could go up, but on the sort of time frames, it does almost look like this could be an ABC, and maybe it will drift down a little bit. I do realize today is a bank holiday, and it may actually do almost nothing today. It may just go sideways. I think eventually it is going to go up. Whether it comes down and makes a double bottom first and keeps going up, or whether it just keeps on going up from here is the question. Either way, I personally would definitely be looking for longs in an uptrend on these sort of time frames, because I'm definitely trading with the trend on the higher roadmap time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.